I still remember watching Transformers for the first time in the 80s, getting goosebumps when I heard the robots in disguise line in the intro song. The Autobots and Decepticons clashed in epic battles of good versus evil. Optimus Prime was strong, wise, and full of hope, while Megatron was evil, intelligent, and ruthless. It wasn't just a cartoon, it was more than meets the eye.
The Transformers, robots in disguise. The Transformers, more than meets the eye. The Transformers.
I've already 3D printed Starscream and Soundwave, but I was missing the leader of the Decepticons, Megatron. I downloaded the awesome free model from Toymaker 3D and set out to make my look as accurate as possible to the original cartoon series. I studied the color scheme carefully and got to work.
The Transformers will return after these messages.
PCBWay is celebrating 11 years of innovation, and they want you to be a part of it. Join the PCBWay 11th Badge Design Contest, where designers, makers, and visionaries can showcase their creativity. Your badge must feature PCBWay and the number 11, but the rest is up to you, whether bold, functional, or eye-catching. And of course, there are awesome prizes. The grand prize is $500 cash and a $300 PCBWay coupon. Check out PCBWay in the link below, and now let's get back to printing.
We now return to the Transformers.
Welcome, Megatron.
Iron fist, in my grip, worlds twist. Dominance my only quest, under my rule no rest. The night, my ally in the fight, against the Autobots fading light. My power grows with every strike, fear the weapon I like. My hunger for power, it never dies. In the ruins of foes, my empire lies. I belong to nobody. I rule the sky. Beneath my gaze, your hope will die. My voice, a command of doom. Enemies, efforts I consume. Crushed beneath, they suffocate. Peace through tyranny I dictate. Armies fall, their strength turns to dust. Against my will, their resolve just rust. In the march through hell, their end I'll host. I will win by any means, at any cost. My hunger for power, it never dies. In the ruins of foes, my empire lies. I belong to nobody. I rule the sky. Beneath my gaze, your hope will die. The stars themselves will witness our ascent. Over galaxies our decree will be sent. No force can halt our charge, none can disrupt Decepticons. Transform and rise up. My hunger for power, it never dies. In the ruins of foes, my empire lies. I belong to nobody. I rule the sky. Beneath my gaze, your hope will die.
Transformers.
Soundwave, prepare the Energon cubes. Energon cubes still functional.
We did it! We did it, Megatron! The energy is ours! We can go back to Cybertron!
You fool, Starscream. This is but a small fraction of the energy we need. We must suck this planet Earth dry. We need one more source of energy, Soundwave. The ruby crystals of Burma. Good work, Soundwave.
But that's not enough electrical power to make the Energon cubes!
Your knowledge is only overshadowed by your stupidity, Starscream.
I've made my contribution!
You've also made clear your desire to replace me as leader of the Decepticons. Mistake number one. You're a fool, Starscream, if you think that anyone will ever follow your orders.
Just wait, Megatron. One of these days I will have my revenge.
You and what army?
Smash, reply. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash, reply. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash, reply.